It's an EG hatch, fully built GSR. It's got a 6062 precision on it, all-wheel drive. Built the whole thing in my garage.
All the machine work? You did all the machine work?
No, the machine work I did send out to get done. The head was all machined by 4-piston, and then the block was done by CSS out in New Hampshire.
Okay.
So it's CSS block. So technically the only thing still factory on the block itself is it's still got factory piston or factory sleeves. It's piston rods, crank. Still running Type R cams in it, so it's factory cams. But it's got full valve train, port polish, intake manifolds, port matched. Built transmission with speed factory, bell housing, and transfer case. The interior is still full interior. It's got harness bar in it, some bride seats. I have a PowerTune digital dash in it with it's a suede flock dash as well.
Was it pretty difficult, like finding on the all-wheel drive parts?
Not too bad, because I actually got everything before COVID hit, so prices on everything was reasonable. Nowadays, to get anything all-wheel drive, everybody has got a tax on it now, ever since COVID hit. Just like buying the car, just buying a shell nowadays is, $3,000–4,000. So everything's gone through the roof on them.
Yeah. Well, the car looks really, really good, man.
I appreciate it.
Am I shouting out to Instagram or
it's
social media?
Andrew_Fryer, FRYER.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it.